chocolat, chocolat.
Fly with me, baby. Fly with me, baby. Fly with me, baby. Fly with me, baby.
Allez-y, on s'en va, on s'envole. Où sont les passeports? Allez. Arrête, si tu n'es même pas prête.
Wow.
Tu verras, c'est une surprise.
Sorry, lifetime guarantee no diarrhea.
No, I'm alright.
Maybe later.
Fly with me, baby. Fly with me, baby.
Hey guys, so this is day 2 of Marrakesh. So when we arrived yesterday, I was just really tired, but we went to the market as well. That was quite nice. Had a bit of food. So we are on the way to Gillies, this garden place, because I want to take some pictures. A bit extra. The weather here is not that great, but I guess I can't expect much from February. It's been like around 7 degrees in the evening, and then like maximum like 20 or something. Should be sunny tomorrow though.
Give me all that you got now. Make you want me 'cause I'm hot now.
So I was taking pictures, and these Asian people started taking my pictures as if I'm a celebrity. Hi. Hi. Oh, okay. They want to take my pictures with us.
Baby, you are making no noise. Get faded, turn up with the big boys. Live fast, die young, that's my choice. Get money like an invoice. We can marvel in the whip. Make the money, make a grip. I'm starting with my click. Getting faded till we trip. Oh, I love this.
So after a very long day, we are going out to eat. Since it's my birthday. Yes, it's my birthday, and so we're just going to eat. We're going to a place called Le Picurin. We wanted to go to a place called Comptoir, but unfortunately they're fully booked, and I didn't want to go there and risk it, like going there and then we don't have like our reservation is not met, because that's what they were saying. They said, oh, that even if we get there, they might not even have a table for us in time. So we're just going to go to Le Picurin today and probably go to Comptoir tomorrow. So we're heading out now.
When the tree be way too strong, get faded, turn up, blow it on up till I can't even think no more. Get ratchet, go down, then go down, then we can keep a little less raw. I love to get on.
we are going to Palais Bahia. It's not too far from us. They're always asking us for taxi in our hotel. It's very annoying. But anyway, just walk around town and book some quad biking and camel ride, because we've not actually done a lot of activities here. So that's what we're gonna try and do now.
I love to get on. I love to let's roll. Yeah, we can get active. And oh, my bitch is attractive. We go, you know who we are now. Get high, hot box in my car now. If you were lame, baby, you were making no noise. Get faded, turn up with the big boys.
We had a very long day today. We're supposed to book our excursions, but we ended up not booking anything because we got to the place and they tried to tell us a different price from what they gave us the other day. The thing is, like, I don't think we would have minded paying, but the way they started talking to us, like, they really got very rude to us. And then what I've noticed in this country is that the guys just don't respect women here. Like, they're just very, like, they talk to women anyhow. Like, they call you a bunch of like names, and like the guy was like, go, we don't want to sell, I don't want to sell to you anymore, like, just because we were asking questions like, well, you know, why is the price different, like, you know, like, it's only like 100 dirhams less or something. Like, if worse came to us, we would have actually paid it, but because he got rude to us, we're just like, you know what, let's just go. Like, and like, they're basically sending us away. Like, all in all, I just realized that I just don't think Marrakesh is where I will come back to. Like, I just don't think it's somewhere that I would like really recommend, if I'm very honest. Yeah, I've been here before, so it's definitely not somewhere that I'll come to anytime soon, unless I was like required to, like maybe if one of my friends are having a wedding or something. I've not taken off my makeup because we're supposed to go out. So we're gonna go to a place called Comptoir. Gonna just go and eat, but to be honest, I'm not even that hungry anymore because of the food that we just ate. After that, we'll try and hit the club, and hopefully it's nice. We just want somewhere that they play hip-hop or trap music or something. Apparently there's this club that's quite good, so we are finally awake. $1 million ticket. We're supposed to go to Comptoir, and that was a fail because we slept a bit too long. I think the food just knocked everybody out. So now we're heading to a club called Famous 555 or something. Apparently it's nice. Yeah, probably just gonna stay like an hour or two, maybe more. Depends on how fun it is. Hey guys, so today we are going to the souks, which is the market, and yeah, the club yesterday was quite boring, so we only spent like half an hour and came back home. Yeah, we're going to the souks, and then after that probably hang around and just go to Comptoir if we can.
The 5 jets, the sound system, it's good. What do you want? Malibaya?
We're okay, thank you.
Nothing problem.
Look, I don't know where we're going.
If you were lame, baby, you were making no noise. Get faded, turn up with the big boys. Live fast, die young, that's my choice. Get money like an invoice. Make the money, make the grip. I be shining with my click. Getting faded till we trip. Oh, I love to get on. I love to get too on. When the drink be too strong. When the drink be too strong.
This one, this is the mix for berber tea. This is the berber tea with no sugar because you have stevia, you have ginseng, you have lemongrass, and you have the star anise. This is good for l'estomac, for diabetic, for everything. This is for making the tea with no sugar. And this one, this is ginseng. You know ginseng? This is berber Viagra. Ginseng.
Viagra.
And this one, this is stevia. You know stevia?
Wait.
It's sugar. This is natural sugar. Natural. This is tea. Look. For making the tea, it's like that.
Okay.
Taking hella pictures on your phone like, no girl, don't you do that, don't go and tell the whole world. I'm just trying to fuck, baby, fuck around with your world. So don't get mad at me, I'm just trying to function. Ride around the bay, turn up, down to Compton. I'll be in the club, probably fucked off of toxins. Your boyfriend's mad cause he keep me as an option.
My new friend, she won't leave me alone. she's looking for money for KFC.
Chaud chocolat, chaud chocolat. صلاحت لك خيز مايك سام جيجود تمني مفود سام جيجود chaud chocolat, chaud chocolat, chaud chocolat. Chivo la galère.
So we've come back from the souks and now we're on our way to Comptoir. And yeah, today the souks was quite interesting. People were obviously harassing us to buy stuff. We had to haggle a lot. Basically, only go to the souks if you actually have time to waste, because maybe you need to leave that one for like a day or something. Huh? You can argue. Yeah, if you can argue, if you've got the time, you know, just you can waste your time. But I can't deal with that. But yeah, we bought some stuff like few kaftans and that was it. It's a long walk. You see a lot of shops and people trying to force you to buy stuff, and then they get angry if you don't actually buy anything from them. So in my opinion, I just feel like just don't feel pressure to buy anything. Like they'll force you, but the worst they can do is just insult you as you're walking away. And another thing is, if you're black and you come here, they'll call you every black woman's name in the book, every black celebrity. Yeah, Rihanna, Minaj, Serena Williams, Halle Berry, Beyonce. After a while I just started saying, if they call me Rihanna, I'll say no, I'm Beyonce. So like just ignore them. They're very, I think they're very like racist but not racist, if that makes sense, like closet racist. So yeah, we're on our way to Comptoir.
Smoke it, yeah. Just give me the drink and we can pour it, yeah.
So we've just done our hammam. Guys, it was amazing. My skin feels so soft. I feel so relaxed. I just need someone to just take me into a plane to take me home. Yeah, I feel so good. Yeah, the hammam was amazing. We paid 720 dirhams, by the way. We are on our way to Chez Ali, which is like a dinner thing where you get to dance and drink and stuff like that. It's like a traditional thing, I think. So I've been there before. It's quite nice, you know, like entertaining. You get to see like belly dancers and stuff like that. It's pretty cool, you know. If it's something you've never done before, it's quite different. So hopefully that should be nice. And yeah, I'll be vlogging that. So you shall see. Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. I think, so wait, this is where they got it from or something? we just got back, and I guess overall the show was alright. I've been before, but I feel like there was, like, when I first went, like the first time I went, which was years ago, there was actually a bit more, because this one felt quite short. It felt like they took some stuff out, like, I don't know, but maybe it's just in my head. The food was not very nice. Yeah, but if you read online, the reviews online anyway, everyone says the food is just a bit not nice. The show was okay. I think overall I'll rate the experience probably like 5 or 6 out of 10. I don't know if you're into that stuff. It's a nice thing to go and see, but maybe because I've seen it before, I'm just like, and I've experienced it before, I'm just like, yeah, whatever. But I guess it was fun. It was alright. Good for having something to do. It's an activity. So yeah, this was our last night in Morocco. We're going home tomorrow. I'm happy to leave because my experience has not been like the most amazing. Plus the weather's quite cold as well, especially in the evening. I don't know if I would recommend coming in February. I don't think I would come in the early months anymore because it's really cold here, especially in the night and in the morning. But it gets really sunny in the afternoon. Aside from that, yeah, a lot of people are rude. The hammam was nice though. The only thing was I don't feel like I had enough pressure with my massage. But that's because I like mine very, very, like I like a lot of pressure, maybe because I go to the gym, so I feel like my muscles need heavy hands. They did ask me if I want a guy, and I said no, because I know they rub your breasts and stuff, and I'm not gonna be having a guy do that. Let me know what you think, if you'd like to see more of this. I'm going to Dubai next. If you want me to vlog that, let me know. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, enjoy. If you've been to Morocco, let me know your experience, or where do you want to go, like, or if you want to go to Morocco and you have any questions, then let me know. My review, I guess my overall experience, I would rate Morocco what would you rate it for me? Yeah, like a 6 out of 10. Like, it's just okay, like, but Dubai is so much better. Like, if you want to go somewhere, like, just go to Dubai, basically, especially if you have the money. Dubai is more expensive, but Dubai is much better, trust me. Like, you will love Dubai. Like, everyone I know that loves Dubai. Not everyone I know loves Morocco, so yeah. Bye guys.